Hello, couch co-opers, couch potatoes, and couch codependents. This is the Couch Co-op Show. I'm Ian, and well, I'm not on the couch today. Yep, we're doing something different. As you just saw, my window door switch is not working, and so I'm going to replace it with a new switch. Which means I have to take off this panel carefully, and we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. So first, I've watched the video. There's a panel here I have to remove, and then there's a panel down here. I'll show you in a minute. So this pops out, my understanding. Like so. See, that's not too bad. There's one screw there. And then there's another one down here. Another panel down here. It's not really a panel, this is more of like a rubber pad. There's a screw down here. Should really explain, so this is already, panel's already been taken off multiple times. Should probably explain that in a video right here. So I started having issues with the window a few weeks ago, a couple months now. Took it to Hyundai to have it diagnosed. They said it was a plunger issue. Took it in. It was a $200 part, and then like $200 labor. So it was $400, $450. Didn't fix the problem. Took it back. And they said it was the switch. The motor works. That they didn't want to force the window up because it would burn out something. A diode in the motor or something. So they recommended replacing the switch. The manufacturer no longer makes the switch, so they can't order the part. So they recommended that I order one and do the replacement myself, or have someone else do it. So I went on eBay, found the part, found a new part, but I guess technically used. That was $40, and as you know, and so here we are. Let's go back to it. So of course my drill is too fat to get at this looking thing. So I will be doing it the old-fashioned way here, which didn't take very much, which always makes you feel good. So they probably did it the same way. All right, they're gonna go to this one. I'm sure you guys need me to show you how to unscrew a screw. But supposedly these are the only two screws holding the door on. And then it's all clips. Important to note that they look pretty much the same. Yeah, they don't look any different here. In one of the videos, I swore you said one was smaller than the other, but they look pretty much the same. So, go with God. All right, so watching this video, I've watched two. One, he just kind of pries a screwdriver, which is what I'm gonna do. And then the other guy that made a better video, he had a proper tool, I think, for this. But they made it look super easy. So here we go. Super easy. I don't know about that. I'm gonna have to watch the video again. It looks like someone did it before here. Oh, there it is. One hopes. Oh yeah, look at that. That's how you get it right. Oh yeah, okay. see it, man. Oh, I forgot to mention you have to pop this thing off, which it seems to come off pretty easy. Oh, and then just kind of lift. There it is. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna say don't let it hang like that, but I didn't have anyone else helping me. I needed a table. So now I have to go back behind and disconnect all the cables. And that should be pretty simple. But that came off really easy. So if you watch other people's videos and they say, oh, it's easy, it is super easy. All right, cool. Okay, now it's here. There are 5 plugs I have to disconnect to get the panel off. And they should be pretty easy to disconnect. Here we go. That's a pain in the ass right now. Break my watch. Voila! Super simple. All right, this is the switch that we are replacing. I didn't actually see a video of this online, but it seems pretty straightforward. So, here's my quote-unquote new switch, even though I guess technically it's used, because Hyundai. Anyway, I explained it in my other little short exposition clip. Hopefully, this fixes the problem. Okay, there's you go. Oh, can we get it past this goddamn stupid metal brace? Oh, I might. Oh, okay. Maybe we take this one out just for some play. Sorry if I'm getting in the way of this. There you go. So loosen up this switch to get to that switch. All right. So this is, I mean, it's kind of gross in here, but I wonder, just cleaning this with contact cleaner, I wonder if they even did that. Probably not. Well, $40 lesson. Actually, more expensive than that, technically. All right. Well, that went back in pretty easy. I was like, does this go stick out more? But no, it's flush with the door, so that's good. All right, I think we did it. Reassembly time. Come out, cab. There we go. Come on. Jesus. Now go back in this fucker. But they fucking busted, I think. As I hang on the door. This is where it all can go to shit, guys. This is where it all goes south. Way up against this, man. Shouldn't go up onto this fucking thing. Oh, there we go. There. Oh, okay. All right. Moment of truth. What? Yeah, it's something else. Doors lock. Window rolls down. Well, that sucks. I wasn't gonna end the video like that. I mean, I should have but all right. So, wasn't this plunger thing that the dealership thought? Wasn't this switch that the dealership thought? I imagine the old switch still works. So it's either the motor or the regulator, or something's wrong with the wiring. I checked the fuses again, switched the fuses, you know, the left and right fuses on the windows. I switched them so that the fuse that was on the driver's side works on the passenger side. So it's either a wire, I guess it could be a wiring thing. On their test, they said the motor was getting power. So they guessed it was a switch. But they didn't actually test the switch. So I fucking know, man. If anyone has any ideas, hit me up in the comments. But it looks like I have to probably replace the regulator or the motor. I don't know if I'm going to harass Hyundai some more and see if they'll do it. I really don't want to do something that's closer to the windshield, because the windshield's stuck half in there, and I don't want to bust the windshield, because I'm like a noob when it comes to this shit. Anyway, yeah. The window saga continues. To be continued. I'm Ian for the Couch Co-op Show, reminding you to please be excellent to each other.